Hi guys, today we are going to do Q and R. So we're going to start with Q. It's a lot like our uppercase O. We can start just below the sky and go up and around, counterclockwise, and then a line through. So close to the sky, up and around, and then do a line through down near the ground. Our Q is next. Q looks a lot like P. P starts with the line first, and then the circle. Q, we start with the circle first, just like we're starting a C, up to the mountain and underground. Start right under the mountain, up and around like a C, touch the mountain again, and underground. Sometimes you'll see it rounded, sometimes you may see a straight line. Either way, you can write your Q's like that. All right, we're going to start on capital and lowercase q, just practicing those. So we can do a nice big round circle like an O, and the line, start like a C, and go down underground. It's also a lot like a G, except we scoop forward instead of scooping back. Make sure you practice some of those. And then we're going to write quack, quack. We start with the capital since it's the beginning of our sentence. Make sure we're going all the way to the mountain and the ground, filling up our space. And our K, we have a comma which goes slightly underground. And quack again, but with the lowercase. And don't forget a period at the end of your sentence. Now we're going to move on to R. For R, we start up at the sky like we do with most of our capital letters and go straight down. We come back up and we do our bump and a straight line to the ground. So let's try that again. From the mountain to the ground. Start again at the mountain and the sky and bump down to the mountain and down to the ground. Once more, mountain or sky to the ground, sky to the mountain, and bump and straight line down to the ground. R, we're going to start lowercase r, we're going to start at the mountain and go down and trace back up for a little bump. From the mountain to the ground, trace back up for a little bump. Now we're going to practice our uppercase and lowercase r. So go ahead and leave some space and do the next one. And then we are going to write roar, grr. So roar is our first sentence. And we have a period, then we're going to start with a capital G because it's another sentence. And a bunch of R's, lowercase r's, at the end of our sentence, exclamation point. Go ahead and practice those. Thanks for joining me.